Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and work out the velocity squared and uncertainty in the velocity squared. This is because our linearized data should be v squared versus s, not v versus s. Okay, so let's go in here and put a heading. So velocity squared. Okay, so symbol v squared. Now I think I might have found the reason why it wasn't superscripting before, but I'll tell you about that in a second. So velocity squared slash units, so it's meters per second all squared, so that'll be meters squared per second squared, or s minus 2. All right, let's see if we can get the superscripting working. Now I think the issue was that if we go format cells, is that it was like a general kind of category where it should be like number should work. Okay, so let's see if that does work. Okay, so let's go up here and I'm highlighting the two format cells and superscript. Okay, yes, that's worked. Highlight the two format cells, superscript, and minus 2. Highlight the cells, format cells, superscript. Okay, there we go. All right, so let's merge those two cells together. Alignment, merge cells, and also wrap the text. Looking good. Now let's center everything. Can't quite see everything in here, so maybe I'll just change the row and maybe the width as well. Okay, there you go. Okay, so we can see everything now. Let's bold it. Okay, so we could also go back and change this now, make it like more IB physics like. So ms minus 1, format cells, superscript. Oh yeah, we have to change the format cells. Okay, so see how it's general at the moment. I think that was just causing an issue before. When it's general, it just does everything without any formatting. So let's make it number instead. Okay, now it should work. So ms minus 1, highlight the minus 1, format cells, superscript. Okay, yep, now it's working. S minus 1, highlight the minus 1, format cells, superscript. Okay, cool. All right, now let's actually do the calculation. So equals, and we're going to take the average velocity there and square it. So hat 2, enter, and let's drag that formula down. Okay, now onto the uncertainty. All right, so again, let's merge these cells. Yeah, you can either go up to the heading and do format cells or right clicking format cells. Alignment, merge. Okay, so we need the uncertainty in v squared. So we'll need to grab this perhaps, might be the easiest way. Copy that and okay, it's given us, yeah, can't do it into a merge cell. So let's go back and actually unmerge that cell. Okay, so we'll need to actually put that in first before we merge it. Another issue could be that it's coming from a merge cell, so perhaps we'll just go back to the Word document, grab the delta symbol. Oops. Okay. Paste it. Okay, there we go. delta v. Okay, the easiest thing to do perhaps is to do it up here into the formula bar. So let's, yeah, okay, that's good. Okay, so there's the delta, so v squared. Okay, so we need to superscript the 2. Okay, same issue, must be general. Oh, let's come back. Okay. Yeah, so let's format cell, not formula, format cells, alignment, number, yeah. So it's in general, so it's issues. Okay, so number. Okay, let's try again. And superscript the 2. Very good. Okay, so we've got that now. Let's merge the cells now. Should work fine. Format cells. Alignment. Merge. Okay, let's center everything. All right, now in the MyEd you saw that I developed through the formula here to work out the uncertainty in the velocity squared. So the relative uncertainty in velocity squared is 2 lots of the relative uncertainty in velocity. So basically when you square it, you're doubling the percentage or relative error. But don't forget, if you want to find the uncertainty in v squared, just the absolute uncertainty in v squared, you've got to times both sides by v squared. That then the v squared divided by the v just gives you a v. So this would be the formula then for working out the uncertainty in v squared. Okay, so that's going to be equal to 2 times the uncertainty in v, which is that one, by the average velocity itself. So times average velocity, enter. Okay, let's drag that down. All right, let's tie this all up a little bit. Let's bold that. Let's put borders around all that. Okay, same deal as with the uncertainty in v. We have to make sure that this is all to one significant figure. So yeah, here's another rule of the IB2 is that if you've got if you're overlapping between having like below 1 and above 1 like you do here, they're okay if you keep these ones to 1 decimal place as well. So we'll just keep all these to 1 decimal place. So format cells, number, 1 decimal place. Yeah, so you can see, like, if you're strictly speaking, you should probably have this as just 1 and 1 and 3. But given you've got some data that's before 1 and some then flicks over to being after 1, they're okay with you keeping it to the 1 decimal place. All right, so there's our uncertainties in v squared. And we also, remember, finally have to put all of these to the same 1 decimal place as well. So format cells, number 1 decimal place. Great. Okay, so there's our ever-expanding data processing table with now the velocity squared values with their associated uncertainty.